you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the February manifestation box to show you by Gogh Jewelry Design. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the February 2026 manifestation box by Gogh Jewelry Design has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, if you've been following me, then you know I do this one every other month in collaboration with Rena over at Boxes and Deals, where she will be showing you this month's Mother Earth Wrap Club, and I will be showing you the manifestation box. So then you can see both of the subscriptions and then know if that's something that you want to get for yourself or for a gift. You can also purchase directly from their website if you don't want to go straight to a subscription and you just want to purchase individual items. They have necklaces, crystals, bracelets, anklets. They have regular like healing stones. They have so many things on their site readily available to purchase. You can use my code or Rena's code. It doesn't do anything to us. It just saves to you guys. So whichever one you want to use. And mine is SheCrafty to save you 20% off your very first box if you want to try the subscription, or 20% off their online shop. So there you go. So again, let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what's inside of this month's manifestation box. And then if you would, please pop on over to Rena's channel and check out her video, which will be linked below in the description. So you can see both variations and then you can come back and tell me which one you like better. So let's go ahead and dive in. They always come into this box right here that says manifestation box, ready to manifest your dreams. Yes, manifest the life you want to live. On top, you always have a handwritten card from the owner. Attention to detail, handwritten card. You have a sticker. This time we have a little llama. They're always different, holding down the tissue paper. And then when we open her up, this is what it looks like down inside. For this box, you do get your astrology, so you let them know what your zodiac sign is. So you have your own astrology for the month. You also have what we're working with for the month, and you do get 2 meditation cards, one for you to keep, one for you to gift, or you can keep them both, whatever you would like. And then you do get a healing crystal, a bracelet, and a necklace, and both of those you tell them the length, and then it's literally custom made just for you. For the wrap bracelet, you get the beautiful wrap bracelet that you wrap around. You tell them the length, but you do not get all this other extras. But there is, however, a free gift in there every month, which is a surprise. It could be anything and everything under the sun. So that's why I love for you to see both variations. But let's get back into this one. You do have a box here that has their logo. It looks like everything must be down in here. Normally there's a bag with the bracelet and a healing crystal, and then the necklace is in here, but maybe everything is down inside of the box for once. Let's go ahead and pull out this paperwork. So here is the meditation cards that I was telling you about that you always get 2. We don't see things as they are. We see them as we are. So you get those 2. Then what we're going to be working with for this month, it says positivity magnet, the color of your lens. So you have this that you could sit down and read so you know what we're working with. And then again, you will have your own individual astrology. So this is for Scorpio because that is what I am. And then you always do get some type of like little brochure, which shows you more of their absolutely beautiful jewelry. Again, individual or the subscription box, you can't go wrong. Her jewelry is absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what is all going to be in this box. Ooh, I see something pink, which that is very appropriate for this month being Valentine's Day. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. You will have your cards, which will go over which stone you have. And then here is the necklace for this month. It just has like that little point, light pale pink color, super, super pretty. And I don't have a necklace on today for once. Mine actually broke, like the little clasp thing broke, and I need to take it into Kay's so they can fix it because it's under warranty. And I just haven't done that yet. I don't go to the mall anymore. do you guys go to the mall still? Like, it has been so long since I have been to an actual mall. It has been really, really long. So there's that. It's so pretty and just nice and dainty. Just a nice little pretty little pink. Okay, so I was gonna say, I don't know how I'm gonna tell apart what is what, but this one here has an actual image of it. So this has to be the pink opal. My birthstone is actual opal, but it's like the regular opal, not pink. So that is so cool to get a different color opal. So the pink opal, it's a tender stone of emotional healing, compassion, and self-love. It opens the heart to soothe past traumas, calm anxiety, and invite forgiveness, both for yourself and for others. Known as the stone of universal love, it encourages vulnerability with courage, helping you mature your inner softness while embracing your own strength. So that is all for the pink opal. Then we have two others in here. One shows a bracelet, and then one I believe would be the healing crystal. So that's why normally when they're broken up, it's easier to tell which is which, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So this one is the cherry quartz for the healing crystal. Very, very pretty. It's kind of like more of like a peachy pink versus a baby pink like that is. It's a really beautiful color. So for the cherry quartz, it's the perfect stone for you if you want emotional healing and want to reignite your passion for life. This crystal helps people overcome emotional wounds and replaces feeling of worry, anxiety, and anger with tranquility and harmony. It also provides energetic revitalization, acting as a charger stone that recharges your zest for living. So that's awesome. And I love the color. Definitely like a Valentine's Day. So that is so neat that it matches. And then the bracelet actually matches. However, there's two different things going on here and I only have one card left. So I have no clue what these are. If they're like copper, if they're plastic, I have no clue what this top row of like a bronzy color is. I kind of wish these were not there and it was just this. So for this the actual crystals on here, it's the pink zebra jasper. It's known for its nurturing energy and ability to balance yin and yang. Like soft waves washing over a busy mind, it helps ground scattered energy and instill a deep sense of calm and stability. The soft pink and creamy patterns dance like clouds at sunrise, reminding you to breathe in beauty and exhale worry. We got that on the top. And yeah, I just really kind of wish we knew what that was. Do you guys know what that is? I don't. So those are the three cards. We have the pink zebra jasper on the bracelet, the cherry quartz on the healing crystal, and then the pink opal for the necklace. And you guys know I'm not a pinky person, but I love these colors to wear for this month for Valentine's Day. So I think that's amazing. And I love pink opal. Like, I love having something other than the standard color opal. So that is awesome. And I love collecting these little hearts. So this will definitely go in my pinky section in my crystal collection. And yeah, so that is everything for the February manifestation box. All right, you guys, so that is now everything for this manifestation box for February. Don't forget, if you could, please pop on over to Rena's video, check out what she got for the Mother Earth Wrap Club. I'm super excited to see what she got. She hasn't even showed me yet what she got yet. So I don't think she's opened the box yet. So I'm really excited to see what she got. And then definitely pop on back over here and let me know which one you like better. Her box for this month or my box. I would love to hear your opinion. If you would like some more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. Both of them actually are the same pricing. So for the Mother Earth Wrap Club or for the manifestation box, they are the same price. So if you would like to do month per month, it is $39 per box. If you would like to do a 3-month plan, it brings your box price down to $36. A 6-month plan will bring your box price down to $34, and a full 12-month prepaid plan will bring your box price down to $33 per box. So there you go, you guys. That is all of the information. I will have them linked with Rena's video down below in the description box. You can pop on over, check her video, check out the company, use the code if you like to save some money. SheCrafty will save you that 20% off. If you like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.